Now we are going to write all the trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of secant A. You know that sine is inverse of cosecant. So we have the relationship between sine and cosecant. That is, cosecant is the inverse of sine and sine is the inverse of cosecant. Now first we will try to find cos A. Cos A is nothing but it is inverse of secant. So cos A can be written as inverse of secant A. Cos A is equal to 1 by secant A. Now we are going to substitute this in the relationship. We know that sin squared A plus cos squared A equal to 1. I am going to substitute 1 by secant A instead of cos A. So sin squared A plus 1 by secant squared A will be equal to 1. Taking this to the other side, we will have sin squared A equal to 1 minus 1 by secant squared A. When we take LCM, we will have secant squared A minus 1 by secant squared A. That is, when you take square root on both sides, your sin A is equal to square root of secant squared A minus 1 by secant squared A, which can be written as square root of secant squared A minus 1 by secant A. Now we have expressed cos and sine in terms of secant. Next we are going to express cosecant, tan and cot in terms of secant. We have the relationship secant squared A equal to 1 plus tan squared A. So now you can see that tan squared A is equal to, when you take this 1 to the other side, it is secant squared A minus 1. Then tan A will be equal to square root of secant squared A minus 1. Then we have to write what is cosecant A. Cosecant A is inverse of sin A. So cosecant A is just going to be, if you want to write cosecant A in terms of secant A, it is just going to be the inverse of this, because cosecant is nothing but it is inverse of sin A. So we are going to have secant A by root of secant squared A minus 1. Now finally we are going to write cot A in terms of secant A. You know that cot A is inverse of tan A. So it is going to be 1 by tan A. That is, substituting the value of tan A in terms of secant here, we are going to have secant squared A minus 1. Now we have expressed all the trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of secant A.